Hello!
Hey y'all! Welcome back!
It is Tuesday at 11:30 Mountain Central Standard Time.
And we are here, coming live, to talk to you about how you do back to school.
That's right. How do you do back to school? I'm Sarah,
And I'm Jordan.
and we've been away for a few weeks. We've been apart, so now we're back together.
We were vacationing and now we're back.
Well, I was vacationing and you weren't.
Kinda. I did a mini vacay.
That's true, you did. Now that we've kind of come back and it's mid-July, it's starting to get real that like back to school for my kids is in 3 weeks. You?
Back to school. 1 month. August 19th is when we start. So today is July 16th, y'all. So here's what we want to do. We want to give you a couple super fun ideas for how to crush this year's school supply list.
Yeah.
Have y'all received the emails or gone onto your school website and printed out your school supply list yet?
I actually started uniform shopping. This is my kid's uniform shirt.
And this is my child's tie, the breakaway tie. Yeah, it does break away. I gotta take that off because it's about to choke me.
Yeah, well, I'm not taking this off until we're done with this video.
That's a good idea. That's
Yeah.
a really good idea.
Yeah.
Keep your shirt on.
Well, I have a shirt on. I have my own clothes underneath it, but still.
But the school uniform, I love it. We're
Yeah.
rocking it.
Yeah, we are rocking it today, and I don't know. I'm not really ready. I'll be honest, Jordan.
It feels like it can't be real. Like school starting. I mean, it's 100 degrees here in Denver every day.
I know. It's so... I just want to spend all my time at the pool.
I know.
But I'm not really ready to start thinking about back to school shopping. Although, have you guys started to get like notifications, email notifications or sale notifications from lots of different stores? And I started to get school registration stuff yesterday, so I went online and I did that.
Girl,
Anything
we
from you?
had to do that in May. That was like due in May. So we put that behind us, but I did print off the school list, supply list.
You did. I haven't
It's
even
like
looked.
3 pages long.
I haven't even looked. I'm a little nervous. Because then that means I have to commit
Oh,
and go get the stuff.
this is what we need to talk about. What kind of mom are you when it comes to back
Yeah.
to school shopping, y'all? What kind of mom are you?
Okay, so we've kind of identified a few of them. We thought it was kind of fun because we see ourselves in a couple of these. So are
Totally.
you the thrill seeker? What did we say?
The thrifty
The
thrill
thrifty
seeker,
thrill seeker.
right? You're cutting coupons. You are going to store. You got Dollar Tree, you got Dollar General, you got Target, you got Walmart. You have
Staples.
Amazon on Prime Day. You have Staples. You have Office Depot. Right? Like you're going store
you
to
go.
store.
To all those different stores.
And you are crushing the sales. You are,
You got everything for under $100.
oh yeah, that could be you. That could
be.
be you. And we're saying maybe this takes a couple weeks, or maybe you do it all in one day.
Yeah.
Who's the thrifty thrill seeker? Anybody out there? Oh no, Courtney. She says, this makes me want to barf. I don't like to see the supplies out in the stores this early.
It's like when Christmas comes in October.
Right.
Yeah. So that was the first one. Let's see. The second one was convenience at any cost. At our school, you can order the school supplies in a box for the following year in May.
Oh yeah.
I've done that before. I've been the convenience at any cost mom.
Sure. Well, you were saying like you were 8.5 months pregnant when you had to drop your kids off at school, and so it was like order online, click. Deliver.
It was the best
Bam.
thing ever.
Not hauling anything into the classroom. Day one, just the kids.
Yep.
Take their little photo. And
Went
move
to
on.
meet and greet, and it was all there on the desk already. So, and then the third one, oh, Courtney, this must be you. Hanging on to summer until the very last minute.
Hanging on to summer, mama. Last minute, mama. Any of those out there? It's all right. There's no judgment, people.
It's kind of where I'm at mentally right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coming. It's happening. It's real.
Let's be real.
We got to face it, face the facts. So you know what? We come up with some fun ideas of how to make something that is required that may cause stress or anxiety or just agitation, like all the money flying out of the account. And I know what y'all are thinking.
I do feel like I'm like just purging money from
right.
this time of year.
Right.
Oh, whatever, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, and I know what y'all are thinking too. Like, wait, we brought so much of this last year. You're telling me there's no leftovers? We're bringing all the same stuff again.
It's partly why I don't buy the boxes anymore, because there's so much left over. So then at the end of the school year, I collect it all, I put it in one spot, and then I print the school list off, and then go back. I start there. I start shopping in my own space
Oh, yeah.
first and start reassigning.
Great idea.
And then I can cross it off the list and figure out what I need from that point.
Oh, yeah, and I'll make my
Yeah.
kids repurpose things. I'm like, oh, this little 2-pocket folder you got? Great. We're just going to
Yep.
put a sticky label over it and change it to science. You need a science one? Awesome. Repurposing last year's.
Yeah.
Right? We got to get,
Yeah.
smart about these people. But we are thinking there's some super fun ways. So
We came
Sarah?
up with 4 or 5.
I would love for you and Donnie to do number 1.
To do the date night,
Date-
divide and conquer.
Date night, divide, and conquer.
Yep.
That could be...
Could be kind of fun. Go out to dinner, leave your kids at home, go out to dinner, have a couple drinks, and then go to whatever store you prefer, and you take half the list and you take the other half the list.
That's right. And we meet up at the checkout and we high five on the way out that it costs what it costs. It's over. It's going to be ready to roll. And that is off the
and
list.
we did it together.
Exactly. You know, Josh and I talked about doing that for Christmas shopping because generally I do all the shopping in my family. And we thought, I said, you know what? It's not that fun when you do this by yourself.
Bothering me.
I think I should just have some help from my trusty hubby.
Yeah.
So you could do school supplies in June, Christmas shopping in
November.
October.
Yeah.
Just kidding. We do it in December, people. Let's just get real.
Let's get real.
We're not that on the ball. Okay.
Okay.
Date night, divide and conquer.
That's a great one. Danny says I love that idea.
Yes.
Try
yes.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one actually was inspired from our mom blogger who we posted on Saturday. And if you guys have not gone and read this article on our blog,
Super fun.
oh, so genuine. It was such a good article. I really loved it. So, Mimosa and Mommy Shopping Morning.
Yes. The triple M. Mimosa, Mom Friends, Morning Time.
Right. What's the third M? Jordan?
Pour the mimosa, have a drink, get your school lists out together, laugh about it, cry about it, whatever you're going to do.
Have fun with it. Have a drink ahead of time. Go to the,
the
store.
store.
Leave your kids at home.
That's
I
right.
wouldn't suggest taking kids, but maybe if you wanted to, maybe if your kids are a little bit older and a little bit more helpful.
Or we
That'd be a
talked
good one.
about, when, we had one child, it was really fun to roam the aisles with them and let them pick out their special pencils and their
pencil
notebook
box.
oh yeah, so cute. And
Yeah.
then we had 3 or 4 and it's like, all right, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Okay, people, here's all the school supplies. Divide them up, put them in your box, and we're ready to go. Okay?
Yeah,
But you can do it any way you want.
you can. How do you, come on, you guys, throw out some ideas. How do you usually tackle this to do?
It's a thing.
I know.
We got to do it. So
We
we're going to
gotta
make
do
it
it.
fun.
All right, we
Okay,
have
date
2 more.
night, mimosas, online shopping with doorstep delivery, folks. This
Yep.
is a thing.
I tried to look into that last year, and I did do some of it on Prime Day.
Okay. Which is
Then,
today.
Because I'm the thrifty, what did we say I was? The thrifty thrill seeker?
Oh, yeah.
I kind of am.
You like a deal.
I kind of know, if I know I can get it somewhere else for cheaper,
Yeah.
because I really pay attention. I couldn't pull the trigger on ordering everything on Amazon.
Well, I will tell you, last year, here's what I did. I thought, you know what? I'm not going to let this little school supply list get me down all summer, because here's what I tend to do. I see the list right at the end of the school year. I go, oh my gosh, it's a lot of stuff.
I don't look until
And then I
now.
think about, when am I going to do it? I got to do that. When am I going to do that? Not this week, not that week. And so it's always floating in the back, like all summer. It's like a little pool float in the back of my head. It's just floating around back there, just hanging out, relaxing the school list. So last year I was like, I'm going to get this list. In May, man, I got online from one particular store and I It took me probably
boom,
2
boom.
or 3 hours, no kidding, to locate everything. Oh, this is out of stock. Okay, let's go somewhere else.
That's just as bad as in the actual store.
And then
I
let
don't
me
know,
tell
in
you
the
what
store,
happened.
I can see visual.
Yeah,
What
you
happened?
could touch it too.
Yeah, I like
to
that.
touch and
I
look
like
and feel and go. Yeah. Okay, so last year I ordered it all. Like 2 things came within 3 days, 5 things came the next week. Some stuff was rolling in July. Y'all, it was a nightmare. Okay, so
Because it didn't all come at once.
nope, came in different shipments, different boxes, different days.
That would have driven me crazy.
So then I have to check. Okay, not worth it. Let's just move on. I mean, there's other places you can probably do online shopping. If you can do the bundle for your school, or you feel like that's worth your money and your time, that's an option.
Yep. The fourth one, so we've got Date Night Divide and Conquer, Mommy Mimosa Morning,
Online shopping,
doorstep delivery, and the fourth one is
Solo Sans Kids.
Yep.
Okay,
I don't know who's fortunate enough to do that, but if you are,
I've done it before.
that's awesome.
I have done it before. I've gone to Walmart, but it's been at like 11 p.m. at night on a random like Tuesday in the summer. And there's really no one in the aisles.
That is kind of nice.
They are restocking at that time, which is kind of a pain because they have their big carts in the aisles unloading stuff. And so you do have to kind of bob and weave around the workers who are restocking the shelves that have been so crazily like pilfered
I
through.
can shop at midnight.
Midnight, yes. I'm telling you, if it's peace, could be worth it.
If you're past your bedtime, could be worth it.
Exactly. Kids are sleeping.
Yeah. Cindy says,
Worth it.
our local church does a school supply giveaway, and we go to Walmart and shop online for school supplies and clothes.
Awesome.
That's cool that your church does that.
That's really, really cool.
That
What a
is.
great idea.
I know.
Yeah, so look.
I think some of it depends on how old your kids are. I mean, I've got all age ranges. I've got from toddler all the way up to middle school.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think in high school, like middle school and high school, I don't think they need as much.
My list is large for middle school.
It is?
Yes.
I haven't even looked yet, so I don't even know.
She doesn't know. She's not sure.
My printer's broken.
And that's why we wanted to come live to you about this particular thing.
Topic?
Because we want to give you some ideas so you can
Yep.
just decide
Yep.
which way am I going to do it, when am I going to do it, and then go for it. And then come
take
back
the
on our
plunge.
page. That's right. Come back on our page and comment. Take
This
a
is how I
selfie with
did
your
it.
school supplies and said,
Yes.
date night, divide and conquer.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Ooh, Cindy, no tax weekend, the weekend before school starts in Oklahoma. I used to love that in
Oh.
Texas. Tax-free weekend for shopping. I
Why
know.
don't they do that in Colorado?
And if they do, people let us know because we're
I know.
oblivious.
We are.
That would be fantastic.
That's amazing.
Yes.
I have a
tax-free
friend
weekend.
who we were texting about how school is going to start fairly soon, and she's a teacher, so she has to go back. She had it counted down 17 days, and I said, "Oh, that's like almost less than 2 weeks."
Let's
that
not
is-
talk about it.
I know.
We can't talk about it. We're holding on to summer, people. Okay? But now, after today,
Oh,
you have kind of the 3 ideas of where you fall in the category, right? Of what kind of mom you are when it comes to school shopping.
Yep.
And now you have 4 stellar ideas. Some of them
how to
include a
tackle
few
it.
drinks. So what? This is what we need to handle parenting every once in a while. We need to take the edge off. We need our mom community. We need our spouses. We need each other, people. That's what Families of Character is all about anyway. It's community because everything is easier in community.
Yep. Everything is easier together.
Totally.
It's true. So that
Oh,
about wraps
Nikki,
that
you're
up.
so funny. I'm out of control buying lunchbox items. Why do I love them?
What kind of lunchbox items?
I know.
Like the stuff
Oh.
that goes in lunch boxes
Maybe
or
like
the food?
fancy little bento boxes or something that you can pack up and like separate their food into.
She also says I'm not going to be the drunk mom at Walmart.
Well, don't do that.
Don't do that. We're
Don't
not
get kicked
encouraging
out.
that.
Yeah, no.
We're not.
Just wanted to take the edge off.
That's right. Make it a
Maybe-
little bit more fun.
Yeah,
Oh, the
bento.
bento. Are they called bento? I thought they were called
Maybe.
bento.
Bento boxes,
I don't
bento
know.
boxes.
I don't know, whatever.
Yes, take a selfie and post it, okay? And say,
That'd be so fun to see you guys.
date
Yeah.
night, divide and conquer, mimosa and mom friends,
Yep.
online shopping with doorstep delivery,
Doorstep delivery.
or
Solo Sans Kids.
solo sans kids. Let us know.
I haven't quite gotten to where I'm gonna take the plunge yet. I know I need to, because we start in 3 weeks. I took the plunge with I was motivated with the school uniforms because they were only $3 over the weekend. So if you missed that sale,
Now
I'm sorry.
Now your next thing are the school supplies. You got the uniforms. Now the supplies.
now I gotta do that. So first, I think I should fix my printer.
Yeah, that would be good. A
I
paper
could print
copy
it.
of it would be great.
Yeah.
Yes.
So thanks guys for joining us.
Yes.
We will be back here next Tuesday,
Always.
11:30 Mountain Standard Time.
Time.
And don't forget, we post blogs quite a bit. We have really fun interaction on our Facebook and Instagram pages. So
Yes. Check us out.
check us out, comment, be part of the community, and we'll see you next week.
Happy school shopping. Hang on to summer.
That's right.
Later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.